Hi guys and welcome back to Max DM Crafting. Today we are gonna build some country walls and fences. Stay with me! Basically the idea is to do something like this. These are Games Workshop country fences and walls. You see, they are made in 28-30mm scale, and basically they are modular and very nice on the battleground, but they are not cheap. Also, they are not so complicated to do, so we will try to do something like that with actually scrap material. Let's start. So we are gonna use some insulation foam, some coffee stirrers, and some good thick cardboard. Now I will use the Proxen for cut stripes of foam. You can check also my tutorial on wood texture to see how to make stripes and thin layers of foam without the Proxen. See you in a bit. So now we have these pieces. We need walls. So first of all, we need lines, bricks, okay? It's very important that these country walls are made of irregular bricks. So it's better don't use any ruler. You see? Very nice. Once you are done with the bricks, we just add more texture with the aluminum foil technique. Now we need some wood fences. So for this reason we need coffee stirrers and go in the middle of the coffee stirrers with the blade. We just broke them in two like that. Okay, now we're gonna need some pieces, not too long. Our cardboard is 15 centimeter, so we go 14 centimeter, okay, or less. Now we need the pillars. Let's call them the pillars, the sustain. 2.5 centimeters, like that. It's not important if they are not perfectly the same height. Also, if you damage a little bit the wood, it's even better, because oops, we add the country effect, okay, like that. I'm using the cut matte grid for understand the dimension. I think it's better, okay, like that. Now here we could use PVA glue, hot glue, but in this case I like to use super glue because it's faster and it's cleaner. Please notice that I'm using this yellow line as reference for my sustain, okay? Not this part, this part. Now we cut a little bit the excess. And we're gonna use those pieces as reinforcement. Hey guys, I know that super glue is expensive, but I'm speed building, so pretty nice. I like it very much. We're gonna create two little pillars, and for this reason I'm cutting, just highballing a scrap piece of foam like that, okay?
This year I decided to take care of all my supporters and to give away a lot of goodies. If you are one of my supporters, you will receive a reward because you are so kind with this channel. Finally, I decided to take care of my patrons. If you are consistent at least 6 months on supporting this channel, you will receive a reward. It doesn't matter your level of tier, you will receive something. Can be miniatures, piece of terrain, or other goodies that I will decide time by time. You will receive it at least once per year, maybe twice per year. So this is the perfect moment to subscribe on Patreon. Check it out, okay?
Yeah, for this technique you can check my tutorial number 1, okay? We are near to have all what we need. We just need some pieces for the top of the pillars. As you can see guys, I'm not even measuring, okay? I'm just going through the building process. I cut it stripes of cardboard of 1.5 centimeter. You see, per 15. We can sculpt the edges with our knife. You can also use sandpaper. Yeah, at the end the result will be this one. You see? We just need to know what we need here. So I will make a couple of just wall. So I like to have one edge with a pillar and one edge a little bit broken. Okay, so I'm removing now some bricks. I'm gonna add some extra weight in the pillar, in the base of the pillar, okay? So, first of all, the pillar. Don't be afraid if the hot glue is spreading on the base, because this will help for the base effect, okay? We can add some broken bricks on the end of the piece, okay? A little bit random, guys. Improvise a little bit. Don't be scared to improvise, to do, you know, I prefer messy stuff. Also for give more interest and more dynamism to the piece, we will add some extra bricks on this wall, on the side of this wall, like that. Nice. And we need a dot for this pillar. Here we go. You see? Very, very nice. Now we're gonna create a mix between wall and wood. Okay? I'm gonna cut this. Like it's broken, okay? Like that. You see? Perfect. The wooden part. You see now, basically I've destroyed this, but I don't care, because with the hot glue I'm creating basically something that is totally weathered, rotten, okay? So basically this is a broken wood something. You see the final effect? Yes, nice. So let's paint. First of all, a coat of black acrylic paint and Mod Podge. Check also my tutorial number 1 for how I prepare this mix, okay? When you use watered colors on cardboard, remember to coat the cardboard on both sides, because if not, the cardboard will bend. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, smash it please, and subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, okay? I would like to have you in this channel. This channel is actually growing, and I like this little community that is forming. Please remember, support this channel through Patreon, also through the links below. Support me on Amazon, and that's it. I hope you enjoy my work, I hope you enjoy these videos, and I will try to put all my effort to make them better and better. Till next time, happy crafting guys!